Hey, chill out, nigga. The fuck's wrong with you, dog?
What up, everybody? It's your homie Breezy. Got Benzo with me, my co-host. Got some more packs to open for y'all today, so let's get into it. But first, you gotta start out right. Now, the first box I'm gonna open, I ordered these through Walmart, right? I've heard mixed reviews on how they ship, good and bad. And the box looks fine, so hopefully what I ordered is okay. I was worried too, man, because all the people we've seen get boxes all trashed.
Even shipped to stores trash.
I remember that one guy got that Zamasu and it was completely, like, it was bad.
Tossed around, kicked around.
See, that's where you're supposed to ship it. Look at that. Walmart's actually doing a good job. Bubble wrap. Small
Within a box. Bubble wrap in a box. Wow.
Dang, it came in a good box, dude. Check that out. No bent edges.
I've never seen that box before.
Oh, you know what? Oh shit! This is actually correct me. This is actually the Waffle I want. Now I got the whole set. So check that out, guys.
It's childhood right there.
This guy already has them, but I don't, so I had to get me one of these.
I got 3 of him.
I'll say the big box for last. There's one big box, so I'll say that one for last. I believe this one's the one I got, and that one came in pretty good. I think it was distributed by Tom's Models.
You ordered that one?
Yeah, this is one I got through Walmart. It was weird because I ordered 2 things from Walmart, 2 pops, but one of them sent through U.S. Postal Service and the other one sent through FedEx. And FedEx got here late, actually. The Postal Service got here sooner. It surprised me. Y'all ready, guys? Oh shit, it's upside down. Fucking up, but okay.
Oh yeah.
I got Marvin. Hell yeah, that's what came in real good.
Ooh, and they give you what?
10% off next purchase. Shout out to Tom's Model. Alright, now for the last bit. This video's gonna be short, but I just want to share with y'all because I've been waiting for these to come in. The next video I have is gonna be sick. That one's gonna be nice. Last one.
This was my local pickup today. Le Grinch.
Oh yeah. He got that for a steal too.
Yeah, $15. Basically almost retail with tax. Can't pass that up.
How many Grinch shapes are there? Are there a few? Are there like a few different shapes ones?
No, the Grinch is only one, which is blue. And they have the box one exclusive lock, I believe.
I see that one. That's one.
That's the only one I'm missing.
Yeah,
the regular Rex, and then I got the flock packs already. I bought him off a lot for like $5.
After this, I finally have the complete set of Space Jam.
What the fuck? Oh hell nah.
What the fuck kind of shit is that?
This box is completely perfect.
Damn, that's some. Ooh boy.
This box is perfect
boy,
condition.
look at man, fuck that.
I've seen shit like that
I didn't
before,
know
but
the
they
same.
think that was real.
The Zamasu wasn't even that bad.
No. What the?
I guess I gotta go to. Okay, if y'all were to Walmart, it's literally a 50-50 chance. Y'all saw one came in good, the other one came in fucked. So
This is like
that just fucked up my high right there.
This is no good. Look at that.
What part of the game is that?
Who even tosses this in a box and say, here you go, like, I slapped somebody that they should do some shit like that.
I'm gonna cut. Yeah, I gotta cut this video short, guys. I gotta go to Walmart and raise some hell because that's some bullshit.
Oh man.
And it was through FedEx.
That's the box is fine. I would definitely take pictures of that box.
Well, yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I thought it was gonna be a lot better, but kind of funny if you weren't in my shoes. Anyways, peace out, guys.
IED.
The ID.
That's a girl, boy. That's that shit right there. You know what I'm saying? You know nothing about that. That's that new shit.
Pack it in, pack it in, pack it in.
Pack it in.